Hello everyone and welcome to another Plasma Prints video. Today we've got a really cool project that I didn't think I'd be doing for quite a while. But with the help of my friend Jim, I was able to get the opportunity to build a high frequency solid state Tesla coil, which recently I've had some requests on. So tomorrow we're going to go to Jim's and get some parts for the solid state Tesla coil and start building it. Alright, you guys, you ready? Today we're going to be building a high-frequency solid-state Tesla coil with my friend Brother Sage, who is just down the street. So, we're going to go ahead and drive over there and get started on our high-frequency solid-state Tesla coil project.
And then this is your secondary, and it just literally pops in there.
Oh, that's nice.
There's that board, power connection, that's your filter cap. And then what's next in here? We got a 1K. You should have a couple of 1K resistors.
I've got a ton of 1Ks in that Arduino kit you gave me.
But are they 2 watt?
Oh, probably not.
Yeah, these are 2 watt.
Yeah, the ones I probably have are probably 1/4 watt.
Yeah,
so
I'm sure
those would burn up real fast.
They would get really hot.
The board will go in here, and then the heatsink will be down here. somehow I managed to make a J quality piece super ugly with all this dried flaking super glue. So if I could just put some black paint over that, that should fix things. So, turns out this thing is way more complicated and finicky than I thought it was going to be. It's pretty simple to put together, but then trying to get it to work and troubleshooting, so annoying. And I mean, this video is already super late and I haven't even got the thing up and running, so this is just going to have to be part 1. Part 2, I'm hoping, should come out next Saturday, but since it's a high frequency solid state Tesla coil we're talking about, don't get your hopes up. But now that it's summer, I'm going to have a lot more time to start working on this thing, get it to work, and make it do what it's supposed to do. And that's generate a flame, at least an oscillation. Just please give me an oscillation. Anyway, now that I have a lot more time to work on this thing, I'm hoping the video should come out on time. Next Saturday. Alright, now I'll see you guys in the next Plasma Prints video. Now remember, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. Upgrade it.